London. Nicole Breed is an American politician from California who is the 45th mayor of the city and county of San Francisco. She formerly served as supervisor for District 5 and was president of the Board of Supervisors from 2015 to 2018. Raised in the Western Addition neighborhood of San Francisco, Breed worked in government after college. She was elected to the Board of Supervisors in 2012 and elected its president in 2015. As president of the board, Breed, according to the city charter, became the acting mayor of San Francisco following the death of Mayor Ed Lee. She served in this role from December 12, 2017, to January 23, 2018. Breed won the San Francisco mayoral special election held on June 5, 2018. Breed is the first African American woman, second African American after Willie Brown, and second woman after Dianne Feinstein to be elected mayor of San Francisco. She was sworn in as mayor on July 11, 2018. Born in San Francisco, Breed was raised by her grandmother in Plaza East public housing in the Western Addition neighborhood of the city. Breed later wrote of her childhood in San Francisco, quote, "5 of us living on $900 per month. Recycling meant drinking out of old mayonnaise jars. Violence was never far away, and once a week, we took Grandma's pushcart to the community room to collect government-issued groceries." Her younger sister died of a drug overdose in 2006 and her brother is in prison serving a 44-year sentence for a 2000 manslaughter and armed robbery conviction, for which Breed has repeatedly asked for clemency from the governor's office. In August 2021, she was fined for abusing her office in doing so. Breed graduated with honors from Galileo High School. She earned a bachelor's degree in political science public service from the University of California, Davis in 1997 and a master's degree in public administration from the University of San Francisco. In 2012, Breed worked as an intern in the Office of Housing and Neighborhood Services for Mayor Willie Brown. In 2002, she became the executive director of the African American Art and Culture Complex, where she raised over $2.5 million to renovate the complex's 34,000 square foot space, including an art gallery, theater space, and a recording studio. Breed was named to the San Francisco Redevelopment Agency Commission in 2004. In 2010, Mayor Gavin Newsom appointed her to the San Francisco Fire Commission. In November 2012, Breed was elected to the District 5 supervisor seat, defeating incumbent Christina Oleg, who had been appointed to the seat that year by Mayor Ed Lee after Supervisor Ross Miakarimi was elected sheriff. Following 5 rounds of ranked choice voting allocations, Breed won by over 12 points, marking the first time in San Francisco history that a challenger unseated a district supervisor. Breed was inaugurated as District 5 supervisor on January 8, 2013, with then California Attorney General Kamala Harris administering the oath of office. On January 8, 2015, Breed was elected president of the San Francisco Board of Supervisors first by a vote of 8-3 and then unanimously. She defeated Supervisor David Campos, who was also nominated for the position. Breed succeeded District 4 Supervisor Katie Tang, who assumed the presidency temporarily after then board president David Chu resigned to begin serving in the California Assembly. As part of an FBI investigation into public corruption and bid fixing primarily involving then State Senator Leland Yee, businessman Durf Butler was recorded talking about allegedly paying for access to Breed. According to court documents released in 2015, Butler told an FBI source that he pays Supervisor Breed with untraceable debit cards for clothing and trips in exchange for advantages on contracts in San Francisco. The allegation was denied by Breed, who as a member of the Board of Supervisors had no role in contract selections, and no evidence has ever been presented to substantiate it. In February 2016, Breed announced her re-election bid to represent District 5. The top issues she identified in her announcement were building and protecting affordable housing, increasing public safety, improving environmental health, and modernizing public transportation. Dean Preston, an attorney, ran against her. Breed won re-election 52% to 48% on November 8, 2016, beating Preston in 46 of the district's 68 precincts. Breed was unanimously re-elected to another two-year term as board president on January 9, 2017. No other supervisors were nominated for the position. Following the death of Mayor Ayad Lee on December 12, 2017, Breed became the city's acting mayor by virtue of her position as president of the Board of Supervisors. She served in this position until January 23, 2018, when the Board of Supervisors selected Mark Farrell to serve as the interim, caretaker, mayor until a special election on June 5. Supervisors Aaron Peskin, Jane Kim, and others considered the progressive members of the board.